Whether it is a strike or a spare, the PLHS bowling team has knocked it out of the park so far with their 2021-2022 bowling season. With the boys team coming home with a win from the Metro tournament, these bowlers only strive for success. The team's coach, Derek Jensen, who is also a teacher at the high school, helps motivate the bowlers and has seen great improvement in, for what is some, their first season on the bowling team.
Just seeing people get better. I see it from tryouts to the end of the year. And just working with people's form, and we had someone get their high score of the season. It was a 204. So, when he tried out, I think he was at like a 115 average. So that's neat to see him get better.
Despite many students being very busy, some still made room for bowling on their jam-packed schedules. The PLHS junior Jake Franks took on bowling and has managed to make it one of his many priorities while still preparing for an intense baseball season up ahead.
It's just kind of like give me some time to sit back and not have to worry about going to conditioning or whatever for a sport. It's just show up to practice and just go.
Creating an exciting team atmosphere aids students in starting new friendships and bonds with their teammates. With the junior varsity bowling team consisting of mostly seniors this year, there was no problem when it came to forming a bond between the players.
The JV team this year is mostly seniors. And it's really cool that they want to be on the JV team as seniors, knowing that they're not going to be able to compete next year. But they just bring in a lot of energy, they bring in a lot of camaraderie, bring in a lot of silliness sometimes too, but it's good. It's good for the team.
Seeking self-improvement in any sport can sometimes be not only a physical challenge, but a mental one as well. Seeing improvement between teammates and looking for a new challenge is one of many things that sophomore Lexi Anderson is taking on during her bowling season.
I like having a new challenge and hanging out with my friends. I've learned to grow since the start of the season.
With the bowling team nearing the end of their season, what is to come next year is always a mystery. But with an astonishingly young and talented team filled with underclassmen, the PLHS bowling team should be set up for a successful season next year.
We got a young team, our team, I don't think we have a single senior on the team. We've got a freshman, we've got a sophomore, 3 or 4 juniors. So, next year we're going to be really, really strong.
From PLPulse.com, I'm Izzy Gerharter.